Hi all. In this tutorial, I will explain how we can create a quick filter on labels. If you see this board, we have three columns: to do, in progress, done. It's very simple. There is a no separate column for testing, right? So the team uses labels to differentiate whether the task is in development, in progress, or testing, or ready for testing. In progress column, there are four issues. Out of four, one is labeled as testing, other one is labeled as ready to test, and remaining two are not labeled. We want to create a quick filter. Mm, First one, we want to display the issues which is labeled as testing, and we want to create another quick filter where the labels are marked as a ready to test. And the third quick filter is to list out all the issues which are not labeled either testing or ready to test. So we go ahead and create the filter one by one. If you want to create a quick filter, go to the board setting and come to the quick filter section. The first one is we want to list out the testing, correct? So we will take this one, correct? Labels, testing, add. Second one we want to create is ready to test, correct? Ready to test, add. And third one, we want to display the issues which are not labeled testing or ready to test. So, and also we want to restrict the in progress column alone. So we'll add that query like this. So what is the query? The status is in progress and the labels not in testing and ready to test, right? So we can mark it as a dev in progress. Add. We'll come to the board. Now we will see the quick filter, right? Testing. It display only the issues that are labeled as testing. I want to check the ready to test. Yeah, it is also displaying the issues only labeled as a ready to test. If I click dev in progress, see, it is not showing anything. What is wrong here? We created a query correctly, correct? Okay, we created a query status in progress and the labels not in testing or ready test. Why it is not working? There is a trick for labels. If you want to create not in label, not in conditions, we have to include the precondition like this: label is not empty and labels not in ready for test or testing. It's not ready for test, we need to change this ready to test. Okay, and we also need to add label is empty or label is not empty and labels not in ready to test and testing. Let's see whether it is working correctly or not. We'll go and update the quick filter. How we can do that? Go to the board setting. Here we can have a edit option. Just replace with a new query and update. So task in progress not this, so we will remove that. In these additional conditions, just need not worry about this for this one. This is not story in progress. This is in progress. Yeah, so status is in progress, and the label is not empty, or label is not empty, and labels not in ready to test and testing. We'll update this. Now we'll check whether it is working properly or not. We'll go to the quick filters. Ready to test. Yes, it is working. Testing. Yeah, it is working. Now click dev in progress. See, it is listing out the two issues which are not labeled as either testing or ready to test. So I learned this trick recently, so I want to share my knowledge, so I created this video. If you like this video, please leave your comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. I will meet you in another video. Thank you.